Hello everybody, welcome to Acorn and Oak and today's ATC Thursday video. Okay, so I have this stamp set here and it's got some lovely autumnal images on it. I've got my image of a fox, which is from this little stamp set here, stamped out on some thick white cardstock, and I've stamped it out on different designer paper, and this is from Fall is in the Air. And I've done a few little foxes and I've paper pieced them, and I thought I'd paper piece them off camera. Hopefully you'll all know what paper piecing is. You basically stamp it out on different colour designer paper and then you piece it together, so you end up with these. And then what I've done is I've just placed little wibbly eyes, googly eyes in his eyes, and I'm going to use this as my background. So we're going to put this down, and again this wood slat is from that same paper pad. Where's my other piece? Do I only have two pieces? I think I may only have two pieces, crafter, so I may have to choose another paper from the pad for the other background. Okay, there's another piece in there, so I'm going to just quickly cut another piece to fit my base. Oh, I don't think I did that right, did I? So it needs to be 3.5 long by 2.5 inches. I must have made a boo-boo with my measurements there. Okay, now using that stamp set, I'm going to be using the acorn image. I've got it mounted on a stamp block already, and I'm going to use vintage photo distress ink, and I'm going to go around the edges. One important thing for me in this series is I want to be able to do as many different types of ATCs with you, because obviously not everybody is at the same level. So I want to do some ATCs that are a bit more involved, and some ATCs like this one which are fairly easy. The only difficult part on this particular ATC is the would be the paper piecing. But you just stamp out your images on some cardstock, you take the time to cut them out, so stick on a movie, and then cut them out, and then you just piece them together as you wish. Okay, so I'm using the vintage photo to go around the edges, and then I think I'm going to use some foam dots. Squares to raise these up. And then using the branch punch from Martha Stewart, twig branch punch, I'm going to punch out some of the cardstock, and we're going to put our little chap in a bed of our little chappy. Using my chipboard accents, and this is from Echo Park, and this is the Celebrate Autumn. It's an old pack, so it probably won't be available now, but I'm going to use some of the elements here, and maybe tuck in some of the leaves. I have this really big one. I don't really want to use that really big one. But let's put on these acorns. What do I want for this one? Do I want this mushroom? Yep, I'm going to use this little mushroom. Trying to get as much of this type of stuff used from my stash. So doing the ATCs is a perfect way to do that. Okay, crafters, there we go. 3 autumnal foxy themed ATCs for ATC Thursday this week. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.